Sometimes you don't have to be fancy, right? Efficient, not fancy. And I just dumped that over the ground. How are you? How are you, Gail? Okay, this dog is losing her mind. She just wants to go outside. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Girls, sit. I know you're freaking out. You're sitting pretty? Yeah, right. For 5 seconds. Girls, are you ready? Are you ready? Are we gonna be good girls? There we go. And they're off. In the winter wonderland. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. Seriously. It is a ton of snow. This is like, I mean, I don't even know how to, that's definitely over a foot. In the last 48 hours, we've gotten an excessive amount of snow. Leave the duckies alone, Rosie. No duckies. The ducks do not coop up. Well, maybe they're cooped up right now. I don't know. They could be. Well, we have to do some shoveling out here. So maybe we'll go bring the sheep some hay first. So these girls are going to run around for a few minutes before I let the chickens out, because this girl cannot contain herself. Maybe we'll give the sheep some hay. Oh my gosh, these girls are crazy. They're so happy. They're so cute. Just wrestling over there. Let's say hi to the sheep real quick. Oh no, they're fighting. Say hi to the sheepers. Hey sheepers. Hi guys. Should we get some hay? Should we get some morning snacks? Huh, boys? We gotta shovel some paths in here, huh? That's a lot of snow in a short period of time, guys. They're watching the dogs. Stay over here, girls. Look at you, snowy animals. Look at you, girls. Oh my gosh, cute. All right, well, let's get you guys some hay. That is so dirty. You are the dirtiest sheepers ever. Oh, he's so happy. You tail wagging? Yeah. Oh, okay. She's sniffing you up. Alright, let's let them eat in peace, girls. Come on. Alright, bye, boys. You can eat in peace. We'll leave you, David. Don't worry. I'll bring back some water. Let's check your waters. And... oh, we still have about a third. You can't even see it in here. We use these... the dogs are so loud. We use these heated water buckets, and it is essential in Minnesota. I mean, if you have power and are on the grid. Otherwise, we would find another situation. Sorry, they are so loud. Okay, girls, come on. Come on, girls. Alright, we have to cover that back up because otherwise chickens decide that the fresh hay is a great place to lay eggs, which, I mean, why wouldn't it be, right? Girls! Come on, girls. All done. All done, girls. Goodness gracious. Girls, come on. All done, girls. Oh. Okay, so I had to put the German Shepherd away, Rosie, because our ducks don't coop up. I don't know what their deal is. They just hang out. They're super hardy. But Rosie can't contain herself, so she was chasing them, which was a little tussle I just had to deal with. But Gwenny does not do that. She's not mean to them. Well, she is a herding animal, so herding dogs typically are better with livestock and chickens and stuff. They're extremely smart. She's just over here waiting patiently. Where is she? For the chickens to come out. And she's just making sure the ducks are in line. So we're going to feed the chickens and check the waters. We'll probably have to bring waters back out, but I'm just going to feed them, and I really need to bring a shovel over here because the snow is insane, so we can kind of clear some paths for them. This snow is super heavy, so I know my husband usually snow blows over here for them, but the snowblower isn't doing so hot, so we're just going to grab a shovel. Okay, so our run is really kind of messy right now, but we're gonna just give them some scratch grain, something to do. Bring them out some different treats later. Maybe something hearty with protein in it, a higher protein count, I should say. We just feed them in open bowls right now. We had a lot of different such situations for feeding, but this just works right now. Sometimes you don't have to be fancy, right? Efficient, not fancy. And I just dumped that over the ground. Trying to do this with one hand is interesting. Okay, we're gonna give these other chickens over here. So we have 3 coops, and we have over 60 chickens. So we kind of give them the option to go in different runs. Gosh, that's dirty. Can't believe I'm showing you that. It's okay. Real life. This isn't an Instagram, right? Okay, we're gonna let these girls out first. I got it. Come on, girls. Come on. Don't worry, this dog won't hurt you. You know this. You know the drill. I'm in your way. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so there's some. Now, let's go let out some other chickens. we'll let the big ones out. The big coop. We got some snacks in here. It's been very warm, so everything's just kind of messy. And then we got the snow. Okay. Oh, they're freaking out. They know something's been going on out here. Yes, ducks are being chased. Okay, okay, come on out. Hello. I know, there's a ton of snow, girls. Okay, I'll walk away. Look at that poopy platform. I wonder if other people like clean their coops and stuff before they put it on here. But that's not real life. Yes, we clean it, obviously. But not every day. So, isn't that so pretty? Everything's just covered in snow. Even the junk in the foreground. Look at it on the trees. Oh, so pretty. Okay, we have one more little coop. And I'm going to let them out. It was up off the ground, and then my husband lowered it. It was originally for the ducks, and they no longer coop in it. So this is what he calls the halfway house. We need to fix a few things on some of our coops, but come on out, girls. I guess you don't really need this, but we'll put it there anyways. A little bridge for you. Hi, girls. Come on out. Hi. Your comb looks dry. You girls need some water and some food. Come out and get some grub. Here she is, waiting patiently. All right. All right, kids. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put just a little bit of that right there. And I'm going to shovel a path to the other coop. Yeah. So then you can go in that run. Hi. Oh my. I know, look at all this. Look at all this snow. What's up, puffer cheekers? That's an Americana. She's so beautiful. And a Chevrolet Wyandotte flying over the snow. Our chickens are pretty brave. All right, I'm going to shovel some areas for them. Okay, I think we're pretty much done for now. We just have to bring out some waters later. And, well, there's a little taste of Minnesota after the snow. Thanks for watching.